Do you all have those moments when you know you need a spark of creativity? You know, I want my wonderful bright idea. Nothing comes. I'm not going to try and give you a creativity machine. So what I'm going to try to do is give you techniques and mechanisms I hope that wasn't too shocking for you, seeing me waking up in the morning. You notice what I'm trying to do here is to make the maximum use of the fluid creative thinking, and yet also then translate that and make it into something that's more structured. And this is true whether it's producing a piece of writing, producing a presentation or video, or producing some software. Get on and do it.